Hi friends, welcome. Last video I explained about how to set the limits and units in AutoCAD. In this video I will show you how to create a line as per your requirement according to your dimension or angle. Just I will delete this one. You can see that this is always disturbed. It's called UCS. To fix this one, there is one command. It's called UCS icon. UCS icon. Select, after select no origin, this one, see 1 2 3 4th option, no origin, so it will be fixed here. After that it will not disturb you anymore. So we were on the line. For the line you can type here L from keyboard. After that it will ask a specify first point, or you can directly select from here. When you click it here, it will be active line command. A specify first point, whenever you will click in your area, it will be your first point. I will click here, this is my first point. I want the line because as you know that we have already set our limits in inch or feet. I want the line with 300 inch. Just click 300. So this is 300 inch. So it was just only like this. Or you want the line in angle. See. I want a line in angle. First I will delete this one. I have this line. You can draw the line like this. First point here, you want 100, 100, enter. Up you want to go 200, 200, enter. If you want to go up, down, you can go anywhere as per your requirement. It's only you have to put the dimension. I want this one same like 100. After that I want to close this one from here. Just I will type C in keyboard and enter, it will close. So you can make any shape with the help of line command. Or I want the line in an angle, as I told you before. So how we can draw this? Go for line command, click. After that you want line in an angle, so you have to go shift @ and then select the dimension of the line. What's your line? I want the line dimension 300 inch and angle, shift angle, I want the angle in 108 degree and enter. So this line is 108 degree. You can see here, just click line here and you can check from here angular, select this one. So this line with the 108 degree, and you can also see the dimension here as we have already discussed, 25 feet. Okay, this is the feet sign. So it was only about the line command, how to draw a line command, and you can know that how to erase. For erase you can use the erase command. Just type E, erase, and select object which you want to erase and right click or enter. After that, if you want to come back, if you have mistakenly or accidentally erased any object and you want to come back, for this one there is one command, it's called oops, OOPS, oops command. Then it will be come back. Thanks for watching, and subscribe my channel and share with your friend. And if you want to connect with me, you can directly join my Facebook group LearnCAD, or you can like my Facebook page LearnCAD. See you guys. Thanks for watching.